Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Part-02 model. In this video, we're going to be solving these video tasks, and this is the part 2 of the last one. Without wasting our time, this is where we're gonna make. Yes, this is all the things we made the half in the previous video. Go check out that video, and we're gonna complete the rest of them in this video. First of all, we're gonna add. We have to add the pillars. So first try the pillars and the flexible wall. If the Blender built-in add-on activated extra objects from the preferences mesh extra objects, then we can enable it from there. First add the cube and level it just a little, duplicate it on the top of everyone, and then make a pillar out of it by giving some randomness, and then duplicate in the edit mode, rotate them, and place it just like this. And now duplicate the last one and place it just like in the middle, and then duplicate a bunch of times to make the floor like that, and then duplicate again to make the whole floor like this. Okay, this is not a perfect square, so select these and make it a perfect square by deleting the cube from the side. Okay, now delete them from the side and make a rhombus out of it, and then duplicate the middle one and rotate them on 45 degrees on that axis, and then duplicate one finger and then rotate it on 45 so it will line up equally. Then duplicate the square by the cube and then subdivide it and keep it circle like this. We're gonna make a pearl from it, just like I had the ancient pearl, and then add the texture to it. We can add texture to it by like Blender simple opposite texture, and we're gonna texture everything on the one piece, only one texture to everything in this video later on. Okay, now give this pearl a shiny bloom color, and now let's duplicate this face and then hide the pearl, then keep it make it a fold shape like this, and it is holding the pearl like that, and duplicate it bunch of times and place it just like this. And now unhide the pearl and see if everything line up, and set everything from all sides just like this. And now everything is kind of looking great. It now place it on the ocean floor, and then use the cutter tool by cut tool in the edit mode and cut some pillars from the top. Remember to cut it from the top only, and just keep everything lined up correctly, and not cut objects from line up like this. Don't cut objects like this, and cut it like that. And remember to keep it simple and properly. Is that some main goal? Okay. Only give some block cutting, rest of it is simple and a little bit randomized. Okay. Now this is done. Then we have to add another ancient like flagged pillar. Add a circle with and fill the bottom part and place it just like this. Extrude it to the top and make a pillar out of it, and extrude all the faces individually like that. Now we have to add some loop cuts and rotate the gel section, bevel it with only 3 segments and scale them like this. And add more loop cuts here and there, and use the slider to move the loop around, like rotate it just little and bevel it with 3 segments, control minus, and scale them just like this. This is the pillar we're gonna make. Color them, so match the color as it is. Now fill the top, and then give it some randomness by moving some cubes like this. Okay. Now add another cube, but first duplicate this curve and keep it a separate object. and move it on the top of the pillar and color the and join it, and then add a cube, take it according to the pillar size and keep the cube on the top of the pillar. Then cut it from different sides, like any side of the pillar, any side of the cube, and then we can add offset and give some reference, but it will make a mess. So cut it from any side and then bevel some area and light some vertices around, merge some like this. Sliding some vertices can give the glue a little randomness, and then it will also give a nice look. Slide correctly and don't remember to make it simple and a little bit low poly craft tone. Okay, now duplicate the tone on the top and give it some shape, like moving the faces with the proportionality like that. Keep it simple and low poly. First model everything and then placing it after. We'll do that after. Look after overlapping vertices, then it will cause an extra mess. Then we'll get the problem like overlapping. But now name pillars, grand pillars, and so we get something that's really interesting, and we know that everything comes up. And now place everything according to the place everything equally and separately. Then we need to add more plants to our scene. Add a circle with less segments. Then extrude it, make a stem, and then add row cuts in the circle with only 8 to 10 segments. Then add row cut in the middle. And we're gonna make a lily pad by the ocean wall. Okay, this is a basic shape, and then place it on the top of the stem. Then snap this face to this vertex right here. Then it lines up correctly and move it just a little down so that it frees. And then to the top face, join these vertices here. Give it some thickness so we get the bottom faces, then we can color it separately. Just like this. This looks not great. Duplicate it and then select this face and select this as pivot point and scale it like this. And now we get something really interesting and nice. And now give the stem interesting and randomness by moving them along. Okay, now this is looking great. Move the orchid to the very bottom and place it into the original. Only one piece we need, and then we can duplicate it later on, and then turn the face orientation. Then we get something to look how our everything like assets, props, and looking how are looking our assets. So press shift and we have to give something like undetermined or extrude it manually. This will fix the problem. Red means the inside part and the blue means the outside part. So we have to give some thickness, like this chip has a lot of fixing to do, and the red part is a lot of appealing. Chip and either can fix the problem, but some way we have to give it some thickness. We need to make more plants, but first fix this problem. If we see something great and everything lines up correctly, then we can continue making the next plant. This one is the seashell, and add a circle and place it stable like this, and then fill it like that. And if you see something really nice, give it some subdivision surface, and then fix the problem if you see any, like delete this face and add another face. Use the mirror modifier on the X and the Y. Just like this. Now extrude this part and join the vertices. Okay, move it a little bit up and give it some round from the top, and mirror will do the work. Mirror will do the separate work and then extrude the faces from the top, and mirror will do the same work to the other side. Then color it in nice little thing and then place it anywhere you want. Okay, then add a plane. We have to make the baby flowers and add two brush. Select them with checker select and select the bottom row and scale them just a little. Move them just a little to the side and then move the quality just right into the bottom of the wave flowers and give some floriness just like this. Now duplicate it a bunch of times. When you see something really great, give it some pink, nice pink color, and then place it over next anywhere you want. Important thing, the thing you are making, as you make something, then you have to apply the rotation and the scale of anything you make. Then duplicate the same basic flower and then scale them and adjust it and make another wave flower like this and any shape you want. And tweak this so if you want something really great. And now duplicate the face and subdivide it and extrude it to the bottom like that. Now we get something really nice. We can color the leaf part green, side leaf. Now select everything and apply the rotation and scale. Okay, last thing we have to make is the coral. I think coral font. Yes, I think we call it here. And then add a few with subdivision level to 1. Now subdivide it and insert every face and then duplicate them, scale them just like this and then extrude it inwards. Now we get something really nice. Okay, now color it like brown or yellow like this and color these brown. Yes, a darker color. Yellow, just like this. Okay, now place them next to the main shape, main chorus form. Then move them just next to the baby leaf. Okay, now we have to select everything and give everything only a single texture. I removed every texture from here in the collection, blend file and delete all the material. Then this color palette I downloaded. You can download anywhere on the Pinterest Google. Let's first select the ocean red and UV. And you press U with smart repeat for that and scale it and place it any color you want. And now to the ancient world monument and we can select UV next to the one next to animal. Okay. Now this is the color UV and this is the method we're gonna apply to every plant and every block. So it takes much time, but it gives a really nice result. If you want to see how you can color anything like you want to make it realistic, then follow for next part. Like, share and subscribe me. Follow me to watch the next part of the video and see how you can create rocks like realistic. Now let every part of the chip like in the UV and save that and place it just like where the color fits. Number 2, UV Smart View project. And place it in the right color you want. Okay, after you get something great and the result you want, save your work and share it for later. Now if it is looking nice, then we can move on to the next one. Like we have into the coral one and every color. We can repeat the same method to every plant and everything we made. It is an easy way to color something, texture it, but and there's another easy way in the next part, so that we can texture it and make it look really good. Move the UVs in the whole color palette and see what fits you and then save your work correctly. After we're done, there's the result in the last of the video. And like this video, share and subscribe to my channel and follow me for more fun stuff like this with the easy and quick way. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, follow me. Allah Hafiz.